Hello, I'm Nadia. I can smell something. Wow, look!
Vocabulary Trees and Shrubs, Part 3.
This is a maple tree.
A maple tree. A maple tree.
This is a yellow jacaranda.
A yellow jacaranda. A yellow jacaranda.
This is an Australian laurel.
An Australian laurel. An Australian laurel.
This is a bold cypress.
A bald cypress. A bald cypress.
This is a bottle tree.
A bottle tree. A bottle tree.
This is a Chinese hibiscus.
A Chinese hibiscus. A Chinese hibiscus.
Bye bye.